Hello everyone, once again this is Shan Ali Khan, and as we have discussed earlier in 4th class about present tense, the structures of present tense, maybe the 10 structures over there. So right now here in this video I'm gonna just tell you different structures of past tense. So what is past tense? You already know, the time which has passed. Okay, so our first structure should be subject plus was, were plus v4 verb fourth form ing words, and then after object. In this structure what we have to do here, the work was going on, right, on in past time continuously. The work was going on in past time continuously, so that's one we can say. And the structure I have already told you, so you have to make examples from here. I was purchasing a shirt. Was I purchasing a shirt? Wasn't I purchasing a shirt? I was not purchasing a shirt. Many examples you can make over it from here. You were dancing there. Sita was singing a song. So this is the way we can make from these structures. So this one is the first structure only, and we have to move now in second structure. So what is the second structure over here? So subject plus was, were plus being, being plus v3 plus object, verb third form plus object. Okay, so what we have to do here, here the work was being done by someone in past time, right? It shows continuity in the past time. It shows continuity in the past time, but the work has already done by someone. Okay, so he was being taught. Was he being taught? Wasn't he being taught? He was not being taught. Many of the examples you can say. You were being called. I was being taught by the teacher. They were being appointed by the board of directors. Are you getting me? So this is the second structure. Now we have to move. What is the third structure? Subject plus was, were plus verb third form plus object. Here the work was done by someone in the past. Okay, so I was beaten. Was I beaten? Wasn't I beaten? I was not beaten, or I wasn't beaten, you can say. You were rejected. He was caught. So this is the structure number third. Now we have to move structure number fourth. Subject plus was, were plus no verb. So here we talk of quality and position in past time. Okay, so what we have to do here, I was a leader. Was I leader? I wasn't a leader. Wasn't I a leader? He was a doctor. You were a noble. So this is a simple sentence in past you can make over here. So I have just I want to move on the number fifth structure, subject plus v2 verb second form plus object. So here the work was finished in past. So he plucked a flower. Did he pluck a flower? He didn't pluck a flower. Didn't he pluck a flower? I finished this book. You saw a film. They passed BA, Bachelor of Arts. Okay, then after we have to move in sixth structure. So subject plus did plus v1 plus object. It shows emphasis in past. It shows emphasis in past indefinite tense, you can say. Kapil did play well. Kapil didn't play well. Did Kapil play well? Didn't Kapil play well? I did desire to become a doctor. It is just vice versa of I do desire, right? So I did desire here in the past. We did help the needy. Next number is seventh. Okay, so seventh, subject plus had plus verb third form plus object. Here work was finished in past. The examples are: the police had caught the thief. Had the police caught the thief? The police had had not or hadn't caught the thief, hadn't the police caught the thief. Many examples you can make from here. I had invited him, you had scolded him, they had completed their task. Now we have to move what is the structure number 8, subject plus had plus been plus verb third form plus object. Here the work had been done by someone in past. Okay, so I had been punished by the teacher. Had I been punished by the teacher? I hadn't been punished by the teacher. Hadn't I been punished by the teacher? Punished. Okay, you had been taught, she had been killed. Now next, number 9, subject plus had plus been plus v4 plus object plus since plus for plus you can make any other object also. So it is same like present, but here we are just going in past only. Okay, the work was started in the past and it was going on in the past only, not in present. Okay, so I had been living in Patna since 1990. Had I been living in Patna since 1990? I hadn't been living in Patna since 1990. Hadn't I been living in Patna since 1990? And I have already told you where you have to use for and since. Okay, since for point of time and for period of time. Now number 10th, subject plus had plus object. Here we find position of things in past time. I had a car. Did I have a car? Had I a car? He had political powers. You had a good knowledge of English. So this is the video, guys, which based on past tense. The number of structures I have told you, number of structure 10 structure here I have told you in past. Okay, so guys, we will meet in next video with future maybe. So today is 5th class, and most probably in 6th class we have to do our future tense. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video and keep updated yourself.